We are from market. We got stuff. I got some sardines. So this cat's family, they are coming to us for food as usual. Oh, look at this one. Look at this. Hello. I want to give them now a fish. Wait. 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 I'm gonna give you. I have to give you. Wait, yes, I have for you. I have for you. Oh, I got some fish here. I want to give. It's one of them. I want fish. I want fish. I want fish. The mother cat. Okay, this is for you. Don't fight. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come. 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 Why? This is yours. So I give them fresh fish. It's hard. Oh, I give him small. Wait, I'll give another one because I gave him a smaller compared to the others. Go, look. Hey, so guys, they love it. Each of them eat.
One took his fish.
The dogs. Don't worry, I'm here.
He took the fish.
The dog.
Ah.
Yanuchi. Yeah, so that's it.
The dog ate it.